Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with China. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Pick up on yourself, bless up on yourself, and let's get straight down into the video. All right, so in the video here, mega say, oh, Uncle Curly, I have a question for ask you, Uncle Curly. I have a question for ask Uncle Curly. Yeah, and my over Chris live the other day, I may listen. Come on, I get no chance to come to the video, so may I do it today. I may listen to Mr Majesty. Yeah, I used to say some uno royals now. Some uno royals. Uno no say some uno bad waganis. Some uno bad waganis. Not all uno royals. Not all uno cause. Uno me not have nothing against the royals. I'm not enough royals over here. Me not have nothing against uno. But before me go down in this, shout out to the real royals them. Yeah, support to the loyal royals them. But some uno royals are bandwaganis. And that is the cold truth. That is the cold truth. But when I found out like hear the truth, you know about. You know what, you know, Agnes, I got that because if you don't come at me bad to bad, man was I have Agnes. As much as Agnes can fight, you understand? But she will try to defend me. Yes, my loves. But before we go down in that now, may have a question for ask you know, Uncle Curly. Because Uncle Curly are going with some things out here, you know. And as a niece, me shame of you. Me very, very ashamed of you, Uncle Curly. I may never ask you this question yet, you know, uncle, but as a big uncle, I feel like I say, you know, me just want to understand, me just want to know. I know already, uncle, so you can trust me and tell me anything. And not tell a soul, not one of the people that over on my platform, and I grunt a word to them, uncle. This is between me, you, and Agnes. Not even a chat about self, she, look at self, she gets so kakati. Yeah, my love, self get kakati. I go like say she better off than me and Agnes, so we're not two in herself anymore. Once in a blue moon when we talk to self, she too kakati my love. She said me and Agnes are carelessness out here. And she don't want to be seen with us. That's what self tell me. She don't want to be seen with us. So she stay by herself, my dear children. Yeah, my loves, but self now go stop with from doing for waiting over here, so my love. Self now go stop with from doing. One monkey can spoil for wish. Don't it, my love, or make self cure out. Clear off self, cure out. My loves, you don't help me cuss self. You don't help me cuss self. You don't help me cuss out her nasty backside. Oh, I want to remember my backup channel here, Trending Buzz Network. I look for no support over there, please and thank you. But I just want to support me over here, so because I chat the people them. I don't love when we chat the people them. I don't love hear the people them business. Over there, some talk other things. Over there, some talk about other things. It's a mixture. You understand, my loves? We talk about like news. Yeah, we get like reviews. We talk about current affairs. You know what? Any little thing when me a pass and you know, see it fit talk about me carry go over this. So if you want to hear the other side of me, which not much different from over here, so it is just that you know different things we are dealing with over there. So don't come over there, some man, and show me no support. Alright? Nobody make me a feel in myself say. I don't like, I don't really like me, I don't just like the facts and me chat the people them. Cause me easy if you feel away and I'm easy if you feel away. Yeah, I'm bad to bad me we ball. Bad to bad me we ball. Cause I know me eye water near. Nobody make me holler out here. Nobody make me holler out here and don't make the people them crossing. So feel like I say, if me not chat about them, I can't get no views. I can't make it look so. You understand? I can't make it look so. Cause then don't I say, what have to chat about them to get like a views. You don't understand? So nobody prove them right. Nobody prove them right. You know, go over there and support Trending Buzz Network. I may put the link down in the comment section. So as you don't watch the video, or come in the comment section, click the link and go over there. Alright? Yeah man, on dig off my face, dig off the girl face. Cause I know how to rate the girl and I know how to rate the girl. I know how to rate the girl because of the careless people that want to talk about. I don't know everybody will talk about careless. No, I know everybody will talk about careless. Yeah man, so don't dig off my face, dig off my red. Alright, tap now, tap. Me want back my face. Me want my face for when they come out, me can choke up my face when me done the dig off my light. Alright, yes, so we're gonna do a video now about before we touch the royals them. We're gonna talk about Uncle Curly. I know. Uncle Curly, come here to my Uncle Curly. Come here to my Uncle Curly. If I could have fight, you see, Uncle Curly. If I could have fight, Uncle, I would have drip you up so. Yeah, understand. I'm 200 me use and drip you up in Uncle Curly. I would have drip you up so I color you up in your stomach so. I see you up in the ear so make you turn up on your tip toe, make you up on your toe and I jerk you. Curly, I have a question to ask you. But before I ask the question now, Uncle Curly, you. Me pass by one day, my love. Me not even two tap of Uncle Yard anymore, you know, my love. If me a pass on something spark me, yeah, you understand? Me we tap on sometime, me we see one live and me we, you know, scroll through, browse through, me not tap and listen the entire thing. Me browse through to see if any little thing that me want me touch. Yes, my love, sir. So the bros me a bros now in the live what me a watch. Me hear her over there. She a cuss with the man in the car and she a cuss out Bam Bam. She a cuss the members only them. She a cuss all of the blaggers them. But you know she specifically point out Erica and Bam Bam. I don't know if my name did call further down because I never watch it out. But me don't understand how Uncle him so happy I am a fee man in a car and a cuss and galang. So Uncle, you know that style the way I use Uncle, me know it. Uncle, you know that tactics the way I use Uncle, I know it. Uncle, you want to say something to the man. Uncle, you want married. Uncle, you want the man propose. Uncle want the man for propose, but Uncle no want tell the man say a full time now for you propose. You understand? Uncle a cuss like she a cuss out the public. Yes, like she a cuss the bloggers them and a fling something out the inner the man is all. So the man can't hear it. Uncle, you say you. Uncle, you see you. Uncle, you want to be wife. Uncle, you have somewhere to live. Uncle, the man not in that care guy yard one night go all a little do meds. If you don't have nowhere to carry the man go all the backside they are married. Where are going to live? Where are you going to live? Uncle, where is Udo going to live? Into the four-wheel house? Uncle? But Uncle, you're out here cuss, you never really a cuss blog at them like that. You understand? You just use psychology, you cuss like you cuss when I talk about marriage and I talk about, you know, if man no propose and whatever, and if man have woman and all kind of things. I mean, I really listen to you all right, you know, but you just have set things for the man here. But Uncle, if the man not care about you, if the man not love you, you could have chat so till the moon fall to earth. That not shake him. Him just one was saying get a little nash where you give him a little head. I don't know where you give him, if you give him head, shoulder, knees and toes. But him only one was saying can get a little free F, get a little free fuke. Yeah, I want to get a little free fuke and get a little broken. God, in a minute with you and get Uncle. In a minute with you and just get a little do. And him God, I'm satisfied and him God. Yes, but I can't use we, my love. So you go like, yeah, because we are not use psychology upon the man. No use we out here. Do not use us out here. If you have something to say to your man, you say it to your man. Or you go down by your knee yourself. Go down by your knee yourself and do it out here per life, make we see. Make we see how the man break your heart publicly. No use we forget no matches to your man. You're very out of order. Do not use us out here, but yeah, because we forget no matches across to your man. Yeah, I know them little tactics, them, I know them. Because sometimes we want to tell the man them little feelings. We want to tell them little mind. I'm not talk about marriage alone in a little thing. We want to tell the man little mind. And we not tell him. But you know what, if we friend and we attack certain things, we friend and we attack for the man here. We attack for him here. Yes, are you we attack, sir? Are you me attack and this me want you to do? Are you not doing it? Yes, yeah. So we are complaining to the friend, my love. We are complaining to the friend. And deep down, that psychology we are using. We want the boy here, we want him here. And them something you want you to do. Right, so Curly, you can't fool anybody out here. You might fool them, but you can't fool China Agnes. You cannot fool us when you know what you're doing. And come back out here, can't use we again. Take your damn lean your backside, come back out here, can't use we again to get the matches to your man. You see, Uncle Curly? Take your lean your backside, come back out here, can't use we. Forget the matches to your man. And you will see. You will see. I joke, me not do nothing for me can't fight. I joke, Uncle, I joke, Uncle, I joke, Uncle, I could joke me a beg. Uncle, I could joke me a beg, man, sure. You can't take a joke. Uncle, you can't take a joke. I could joke me a beg, man, sure. You know we can't fight. Don't do me that. Don't do me that, Uncle. Don't be that's not the public, man. They will laugh off of me. They will laugh. Anyways, yes, so me get down, you know, what I really want to talk about. So me hear you come out here because Bam Bam give a review about your frock. Your frock or your cargo around your neck. Uncle, me tell you, say, when you're going anywhere, when you're doing anything, consult your niece chin, because as much as your niece don't like you, your niece now make you go out certain way, Uncle. You understand? Your niece now gonna make you go out certain way. Just like how you start about the elasticity when left back in your skin, can much no in there. You understand? You don't have much now. For you working already, a drop off of your bone, you understand? So you know what texting thing, a rubber, only I gonna make it worse for you. I mean, okay, what you want to say, me see a little knuckle bone, them for your ackee seed, them black coffee about ackee seeds. You can't tell me nothing, Uncle. Your knuckle, they never look so. And you pick up yourself, go rub, consult your niece, consult your niece. And say, my niece, I make me give you, you know, like something from over the backside plant. I make me get like a strong something for either over alcan or over alpat. Anyone out there to them, they must have like a clear substance in the jug. I'm gonna have to take you and dash by you and chip off the whole of the black to the Caucasian. You understand being as you want instant white. You could have consult me, you know, uncle, you could have consult me. I may get the little, you know, the little acid gear, man. I could have get it gear free of cost, free of cost. You understand me, uncle? Anyways, me up in my feelings about that, because you never tell me up in my feelings, but me get over it. We're going to talk about the frack now. Uncle, everything that Bam Bam said about you and that frack was 100% correct. 100% correct. And your bex and you come out, you can dog out Bam Bam, and I tell Bam Bam about her underneath. You don't want to cuss the blogger them, say, you don't want your people them come up and you can watch me, because you say, you are the only thing out here them for watch. You and you alone them for watch them, not for watch nobody else. I mean, know how you want control the people them. How you want to control them. The problem with you now, uncle, you know, you're too damn controlling. You understand? You're too damn controlling. You want to control everybody like you are the boss of everybody. But you can't control for your little idiot them. You can't control your idiot them. You can't control anybody else. But me have a burning question, uncle. It a bother me. It a bother me, uncle, and it a ride me, because that's something what you've been doing over and over and over again. Because me realize say you can't express yourself in a decent manner. You understand? This is the only way you can make your voice be heard. That's the only way you can express yourself. Because we see that, you know, you're lacking in many things, uncle. You're lacking in many things, including, you know, intelligence. Your IQ is very, very, very low, very, very tiny. But uncle, you are lacking in many things, uncle. And hence the reason why you can express yourself out here intelligently without going up underneath another woman's fractal. That led me to ask you now the question I want to ask you. Uncle, are you a gynecologist? Or you did want to be a gynecologist? Hey, uncle, are you a pum-pum specialist? Uncle, are you a butch? Hey, uncle, you sorry say you got a vagina, uncle? Me not understand you know, uncle. Me not understand. Me just I try for understand you as my big uncle. You understand me, uncle? Uncle, that because your little head, you know, uncle, you know, it might shape out in a certain kind of way and look like a very, very deformed penis. You understand? Your head look like, you know, a little deformed body. You feel like I say you have to take your shoe up under every woman you come out, you say you cuss. Uncle, is a head you have, you know. Is a head up there, not a penis. Me know it might confuse you because, like I said before, it's shaped like a little handicap body. Yeah, like a little handicap penis. But don't confuse it, uncle. It's a head. Yeah, it might not look like a head, but it's a head, not a penis. So you don't need to take your should be up all about under we out here. Ima? Yes, it look like a penis, but it is not a penis, uncle. Uncle, it is a head. It is a head, uncle. And only because, say, you know, Mr. God never really taking time good to farm it out so that it could have shaped like a real head. You understand? And I understand why. Because at the time when Mr. God didn't make you know, uncle, let me tell you, because I ask Mr. God, why? I say, Mr. God, why you do uncle like that? Why you do uncle like that? Mr. God explain, I understand Mr. God explanation. Mr. God said to me, say, my dear child chin. And I said, yes, Mr. God. He said, you know, during the time when I was having problem with the devil, that a Satan, you understand me? In the same period of time, my loves, when you know him did have to fling Satan and him angels them out of heaven. Mr. God said at the same time him did make Uncle Curly, my love. The same time him did make Uncle Curly, and he was so angry him couldn't focus. Him couldn't focus. So, you know, when him didn't make some, he was so at peace, you understand? And him take him like a time and him carve out we, my loves. And every time we make we, him step back and him go back and look and him see any little, you know, any little thing will look out of place. Him take time and him go back and him carve it out and him fix it. So when him didn't make Uncle Curly now, my loves, he never have them time there because he was so angry. You understand? He was so angry, so in this I catch every part of Curly and fling them on. Him this I grab him, my loves, and fling them on. Grab them, fling them on. Grab them, fling them on. Like him I play volleyball, my loves. So some of them no go on good, some no shape out good, some no fall in at the right place. We can't too blame Uncle Curly out here for him looks. You understand, my loves? We can't too blame him because I know for him fault. And you know what, Mr. God explained to me, say he was angry at the moment. He was angry, never in a good mood. So he make Uncle Curly out of anger. You understand, my loves? Oh God. That's how I could have said, my loves, on him. I say, oh God, Mr. God. Oh God, Mr. God, man. Mr. God, you could have wait till you calm down. Mr. God, sometimes, Mr. God, you know, we can do things in a anger. Now you tell me several times in the Bible, you know, Mr. God. You never. Mr. God, man, of everybody what you could have do so. For me, uncle. Mr. God, for me, uncle. Mr. God, you realize when uncle can cuss the woman them, all uncle can cuss about Mr. God and we underneath. So Mr. God, so me have one little question now, Mr. God. So Mr. God now, like how you did take your time now and you carve out for me little vagina. You understand? Because some of us, Mr. God, and I can proudly say that, Mr. God, when I stand into the mirror, you see, Mr. God, and I look at my little perfection down there, I said, no, Mr. God, Mr. God. Mr. God, why you do me like that? Mr. God, why you do me like that? Mr. God, it is a sight to behold. It is a sight for a sore. And I must, you know, Mr. God, but you spend time for me. You spend time. It is a sight for sore eyes, Mr. God. Yes, everything just shape out so. Yeah, like a beautiful little heart. Mr. God, you're sure? Mr. God said, I know there, so my heart is. You just carve out so. So, Mr. God, no. So, like how you spending the time upon some of us. Oh, Mr. God. Cause Mr. God, me tell you another thing about Uncle Curly now, Mr. God. Mr. God. Uncle Curly love cuss we and tell we about we porky. Yes, tell about we underneath and how it big and stretch out and deep and wide and a drain like a ice truck or something. So, Mr. God, you never spend no quality time down there upon Uncle Curly either. Oh, I never see smoke without fire, Mr. God. No, I know. So you never get to spend no time there so either. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. No, I understand, Mr. God. No, and the same thing me I say, you know, Mr. God. Me I say not more than when Curly see him. You understand? Him feel like everybody wants stay like him. Him feel like a suffer everybody want make. So I'm come out here now and cuss everybody how them a leak like a ice truck. And how them bigger, wider and deeper and wider all kind of something. Without realizing say I know everybody want time so I fear alone times. Oh my. Oh my, Mr. God, you shouldn't do it. You could have spent little time with Curly. You should have got drink little water, Mr. God. You should have got drink water after you fling out Satan and he host them. So you know you could have spent little time to carve her out. So, Uncle Curly, you get it wrong. You get it wrong, Uncle Curly. Are you alone still? So, Uncle, no wonder you can cuss people and describe yourself to them. I know we not answer, Uncle Curly. We not fix so, Mr. God. Make we good. Are you alone out here drizzle like rain? You alone, Mr. God. Make I remember if you put no bottom there. Yes, I'm give you the never-ending sea where you cuss everybody, but we don't have no sea, Mr. Curly. We don't have no sea, Mr. Curly. We don't have no sea. You alone out here with the never-ending sea. Oh God, bad to bad me feel it for you, Uncle Curly. Bad to bad me feel it for you. Me feel away for you. Mr. God shouldn't do you that. Him shouldn't do you that. I made it out here feel like I said. Probably because Uncle Curly did want to be a gynecologist, a pum-pum specialist. That's why she love come out here and talk about other people's vagina so. And so me did feel, you know. And so me did feel. Uncle Curly, don't get it wrong. Uncle Curly, don't mix us. Don't mix us, Uncle Curly. We and you are not the same. Mr. God make you when him did angry, make we when he in a good mood, when he was cheerful. Then when I come back on cuss, we are not our fault. Me tell you, if you find new way for cuss people, find new way for cuss people because you're cussing them steal out. You're cussing them steal out, Uncle Curly. We're tired of hear the same thing over and over and over and over again. You cuss everybody and tell them the same thing. And when you cuss them and them, you tell them about their mom and their sister and their daughters. You tell them the same thing. Find other things now, man. You steal. That's why I mean, I too bad I argue with you again, you know, Uncle Curly. You realize when I argue with you again, Uncle Curly? I don't argue with you, Uncle Curly. But I want to argue with people who can challenge me. When we argue them, I tell me things to burn me. You understand? And me I tell them back things to bond them. Them understand when me a cuss them and tell them. Say me can't cuss with you because you don't understand shit when me a cuss you and tell you say. You don't understand not when me a go cuss with you. So me can't even cuss with you the real way. And eat other for cuss with you, me have to go down underneath you. And me not do it. Me have to go beneath you for cuss your Uncle Curly. And me not do it as much as me not like your Curly. Me not come underneath you. Me not go underneath your people them. Me not go carry down myself to the lowest of the low. Me not go carry down myself to the lowest of the low. For course with the likes of you. Me not do it. So me rather not pay you no mind. Me rather not answer you. Me rather joke you out. You understand me, uncle? Me can't cuss with unintelligent people. You not have no cussing skills, uncle. None whatsoever. So that's why me not too bother with you. You understand? Me not too bother with you. And as me tell you, Uncle Curly, about the frack, everything Bam Bam said was right. Uncle, that frack did too loud and crowded for you in that the big old anchor there around your neck. The same thing where you have on around your neck, Uncle Curly can use an anchor ship where you look heavy and big. That the frack they never need that the hell about cargo they are them earring the uncle. The frack done loud and crowdy already. Uncle never need anything else. The frack never need no company. Right now the frack backs with you, you know. The frack backs with you because the frack could have stand out by itself with something simple in your ears. And one little simple something round your neck. Not the big old cargo. The big old ship anchor. You never need that. So the frack in a malice with you right now. The frack in a malice with you right now. All the nice lady in the blue will come take the picture beside you. For your loudness and for your crowdiness, it just draw away everything from the woman. It draw away all of the attention from the woman. And the lady look way better than you. The lady was elegant. Elegant, simple and nice. Where the backside here go so loud and crowded. Who give them the big old cinty if you take fling round your neck, me love and clap on in your years old? And then you claim say you have fashion sense. You don't have fashion sense, uncle. If you had fashion sense, you don't know say no, me can't wear this your cargo around my neck. This your ship anchor, you can't go with this your frack here. Neither them your earring here. The frack itself never even need no necklace. One simple little earring here and that's it. Not a thing more. But that with you know, you do until you overdo. Anyways, moving on, my love, moving on. Enough for Uncle Curl now. Royals are phone time. Phone time Royals. You don't come here, man. Get around, cause no still over here. If you do some man who unsubscribe, you no still there. Get around, man. You no still compete, cause no fast. But before me talk to the Royals, then me go talk to Mr. Madam, Sir, you know, daughter Chris. I don't know if he call Chris sometime, you know, cause Chris call himself daughter. You understand? So, me don't know if me go call him Sir. He might go offended, and he may call him madam. He might go offended. So me I go, you know, just say sir/madam. You understand, my loves? So Mr. Majesty, no me a pass up. Oh, you say Mr. Majesty, so me can call you either Mr. or daughter. All right. So Mr. Majesty, no sir. Me a pass over your yard the other day and me hear over the event. You understand? You say you not really respond to nobody specifically, you not talk to nobody, but you talk to somebody, Mr. Majesty. We know you talk to lady because you hear the things them. And you know you feel the need for come out here, come prove. You feel the need to come out here, come prove. So you come and you say the things them and you know you say what you go do or whatever, which never make no sense because as me say, you don't need to prove nothing to them, the type of people there. You know what you know and you know what your plans are. Your supporters them supposed to support you in a way. You understand? If them a support you in a way where if them go there so and they hear something about you, them now go quick to believe you. If you can't come with proof, we now go believe. You understand? That are one of the characteristics of a real supporter. If you support somebody, you now go there so go hear something and you jump and believe it. If you can't come with proof, we now go buy it. You understand? All right. But before me touch that part, then, Mr. Majesty, yeah. In the video now, yeah, say, when if you care nothing, can't tell you. No care no news to you, you no want hear nothing, you no want see nothing, no care no news to you. Or else you go block them. But Mr. Majesty no, sir, Mr. Majesty, you're confusing the people them. You are confusing the people them, Mr. Majesty. Just the other day you put out one long list of things out there. what you want them to do because you need evidence. You understand, Mr. Majesty? You want the evidence. Naturally, when them go over tea lady and see or hear anything, them are going to share it to you because you ask for the evidence. Now, you, Mr. Majesty, should have explained to them the type of evidence where you want. While some will watch and listen and understand the type of evidence where you want, not all of them are going to understand. So, them are going to share everything with you. Everything them are going to share with you for you pick out where you want. You have to come now, Mr. Majesty, and explain it better to them. Tell them, say, not everything you want for hear. Not threaten them, say you go block them. Just be specific with what you want, Mr. Majesty. Because as me say them confused. 1 minute you tell them you want evidence, and the next minute you tell them you know share nothing with you. You understand? You tell them say you want evidence, them go care everything with them here can't tell you. So you have to be more specific. Now to the royals, them royals. Uno dey on the hunt now, so no I gather evidence. Because me go assume so evidence, so no I gather if you go give Mr. Majesty. And uno sit down now. Me upon the outside looking in. You understand? Because I am not a royal. I just respect the man. Yeah, I just respect the man. It no matter how no year I come out here and voice my opinion, I respect the man. Because at no point whatsoever uno hear me ever diss him yet. Never. But I am the type of person, me nah go have my opinion and make it choke me a blog out here. You understand? Me a blog, and if me see things the same way, me can speak for it, me can speak against it as well. So not because not everything what him do, you know hear me over here and me support it, me speak against it, me voice my opinion, no means I am being disrespectful to him or me not like him. But as me tell you already, me now have my opinion and make it choke me. You understand? Because when things stop at your throat, you know, it can be very, very, very dangerous. It block off your airway and it take you 3 pints same place because you can't breathe. And if you know block off your airway, it can fly going at the wrong throat. Don't in the trachea there, so yes, and that's what we call the wrong throat. You know, so when I eat the things, them and I drink the things, them and not just a cough, and go along so uncontrollably. Whatever you eat or drink, instead of if you go down in the esophagus, it fly go over there so in the trachea. So the body reacts to it now. So if you cough, to prevent it from go down in the lungs. Because once it slip gone under the lungs are got infected. You understand? So I don't want nothing to tap in my throat and block off in my airway. Or fly go down in my trachea, go infect my lungs, give me pneumonia down there, my lungs. Me I go talk, me I go belch it off. So me I say this now, me as a person on the sideline, sit down and look. And me hear tea lady and other people with all kind of allegations. Me are the one where should I believe it, you know, I mean I believe, because me say if you don't have proof, me don't believe, me just a listen. Me not go say all of the allegations them I like, cause I don't know, me don't have no proof. But me not go jump, go believe nothing just so. Knowing the type of people them, we know so them not credible. And them only want to hear things to run with, to tear down people. So me now go jump and hear them assessing thing and swallow it down so with a glass of water and digest it and believe it. Me now go believe just so. But uno royals no. For me, Mr. Majesty say uno come to him and talk like uno believe it. Like uno believe it. How uno fi believe it? Uno supposed to be supporter. And if you don't really and truly love the man and support the man, you don't go just believe any little thing you hear so. No! You go wait pan the proof. You never hear say innocent until proven guilty. You is going to wait pan the proof. When the proof come out now, is another different story that. But no proof, no did I know. I just one bag of people I yap and I fly them out. That's all you hear now. So you go to him and attack like you believe. That means you a bandwagonist. Uno a bandwagonist, uno the over there so perfect tea lady page, uno sit down and listen to tea lady 2-3 hour what I live them. Uno listen out everything. And when you listen everything now, uno swallow it, uno believe, uno gone to him and gone tell him man. And uno gone to him and now gone tell the man things and attack like uno believe. That means uno a bandwagonist, uno no loyal supporters, uno no real supporters, uno a more supporter tea lady. Because if uno can go sit down and watch 2 and 3 hour live and I believe the things them where she has said over there, that means uno a tea lady supporter. Uno no real royal. And me feel like I say uno bandulo royal. Uno carbon copy royal always a come in my comment section and so come fast with me. Yeah, uno a bandwagonist. Uno know the sources where the story them a come from. Uno know the reason them doing what them a do. And yet uno a believe without proof. Make it make sense. So therefore, who uno figure attack, uno na attack, but I mean uno a come for, I mean uno want come out, uno come for me now. Come for me now, cause uno not find me. Me gone. Big up to the real royals, them when I jump on a bandwagon. Big up to the real royals, them we say innocent until proven guilty. Anyway, so no big up on yourself. Manners and respect, and I'm always see you all in another video. Alright, peace out. Much love later, bless up.